Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing wherever you are. I welcome you all in your bonus love messages. These are the bonus love messages. Let's see what are your bonus love messages for December 2020. This is the last reading for December, and I will see you all in 2021 and a very happy new year to you all my lovely Aquarius all over the world in advance. Please check your sunshine, moonshine and Venus sign, and I hope it resonates with you. But if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, according to your condition. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Thank you so much for giving lots of love to the channel, for commenting beautiful messages, and I'm glad that I help you out in some manner. Let's start your reading. Not reading, let's start your messages. Okay, this is not your reading, this is your messages. Let's see what are the messages from Moonology deck for my lovely Aquarius all over the world. Help me out to deliver the messages. Okay, what are the messages? Any other message? While shuffling also I was seeing this card, surrender to the divine. Step out of your comfort zone. Okay, any other message? Luck is on your side, Aquarius. No more messages. Okay. Your dreams need a practical plan is there, bottom of the deck. So the first message for you is the energy is gaining momentum. Expect a powerful change, Aquarius. Powerful change is coming towards you. The energy is gaining momentum and it's coming towards you. Some kind of powerful changes are coming towards you. Okay. Don't let get pride. Don't let pride get in your way. Full moon in Leo. Okay. Don't let pride get in your way, and it's time to take action. New moon in Aries. Okay, Aquarius. A personal issue reaches resolution. Full moon in Cancer. Okay, full moon in Cancer is there. Some personal issue is going to resolve, Aquarius, and show the world real you. Full moon in Aquarius. Show the world real, Aquarius. Who are you? Show the world your real face. You real you, Aquarius. Then there is balance, spirituality and practicality. Full moon in Pisces. Okay, balance your spirituality and practicality is the message. Then there is believe in the impossible and don't let your past hold you back. Very important message for you. Don't let your past hold you back and believe in the impossible. Okay, believe in the impossible. Don't let your past hold you back. Let the past be past. Okay, and there is, what do you need to release? There is something which you need to release, and that is your past. Release your past, release your burdens, release your past hurts, whatever they are. Ask yourself that what is this, what is there which I need to release. There is a message for you. Then there is step out of your comfort zone. You need to step out of your comfort zone, Aquarius. Surrender to the divine and luck is on your side. New moon in Sagittarius. Surrender to the divine, Aquarius. Whatever divine will decide for you, they will decide best for you. And the luck is on your side. You do not have to worry at all. The signs which you may be dealing with are Leo, Aries, Cancer, Aquarius, Pisces and Sagittarius. These can be a signs which you may be dealing with. Leo, Aries, Cancer, Aquarius, Pisces and Sagittarius. These can be signs which you can be dealing with. Thank you so much, Moonology deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let me see what are the messages from love partnership. From Numerology deck, what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Abundance is coming for you, Aquarius. See, love and spiritual career. You are having a spiritual career, Aquarius, okay? So follow your spiritual career, and there is love which is coming for you. Any other message? Use your creativity. You are full of creativity. Okay, creativity card has come for you. Then there is healing. You need to do your healing. There is healing which is required for you, Aquarius. Okay. Surrender yourself and do your healing. There is surrender, there is healing. Do your healing and surrender to the divine, Aquarius. Again, the message has come. Surrender yourself in front of divine. There is listen to the music. There can be a message in the music. So listen to the music, and music is very helpful in healing too. So music will help you out in healing. Then there is physical activity, and there is relationship change. 0707 was the recording reading time. Maybe you have to more focus on physical activity. Do more physical activity, Aquarius. And there is a relationship change which is coming for you. There is love coming for you. There is relationship change. Your relationship change is coming towards you. See? Change and relationship change, both are here. Change is coming towards you, and the changes are always beautiful. Do not worry at all. There is relationship change which is happening for you, and there is a change which is coming for you. Any other message? Pride. Okay, don't let your pride get in your way. That's why the message was there in that too. See, again, spiritual partnership has come. That I show you while there is a spiritual partnership which is coming for you. There is spiritual career. Okay, for some of you, Aquarius are having a spiritual partnership which is coming for you. And there is a rebirth which is taking place for you. That's why the change is happening. There are old things are happening, are ending out in your life. And there is rebirth of new things which are taking place. Any other message? Time out. Spend some time out with yourself, Aquarius. Give some time with you. To you, not with you, to you. Give some time to you. Take a break. Maybe you are working a lot. So take a break and spend some holidays. Go somewhere. Go somewhere. And spend some time with yourself. Okay. Any other message? There is love partnership which is coming for you. There is parenting. There is a karmic completion. Any other message? Okay. There is a love partnership which is coming for you. There is spiritual partnership. There is love partnership. Lot of partnerships are coming for you, Aquarius. Okay. Then there is parenting. Some of you Aquarius are having kids. So spend some time with your kids. Do your parenting work, your job, your passion. Take care of your kids, spend some time with your kids. Even I need to spend some time with my kids. I have kids in my home and I'm not spending time with them. I'm being working a lot on something. Okay, then there is spirituality. Okay, spirituality is here. You're getting more spiritual than before. Adventure is coming for you, Aquarius. And there is karmic completion. There is some kind of karmic completion which you are completing. Beautiful. Beautiful messages for you, Aquarius. And the numbers which can be important for you are 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7 can be an important number for some of you, Aquarius. Okay. So these are the messages for Aquarius from the numerology deck. Thank you so much, numerology deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from Animal Tarot deck. What are the messages? Mouse. I was seeing mouse spirit. Okay, tend to small things. What are the messages? What are the messages? What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? See, I'm totally agree with this owl spirit. You see clearly now. You're getting more intuitive than before, Aquarius. There is an owl spirit who is trying to give you more, that you are getting more intuitive. Use your intuitions. Okay, there is an owl spirit. And there is Nightingale spirit. Love is all around. 1155 was the recording reading time. Love is in the air, Aquarius. Feel your love. Feel it. Love is in the air. Love is all around. There is Armadillo spirit. Set healthy boundaries. Set healthy boundaries. You need to set healthy boundaries around yourself. Okay. Wolf spirit. Turn knowledge into wisdom. Okay. You are having a lot of knowledge, Aquarius. You are an old soul. You are having lots of knowledge. So turn your knowledge into wisdom. You have owl spirit here. You have wolf spirit here. They're telling you that you are very brave. You are very knowledgeable. You are full of intuitions. So you has to turn your knowledge into wisdom. There is snake spirit. Time to heal. Again, the time has come for your healing. Okay, you will heal right now. Sending you lots of healing, Aquarius, whoever are requiring right now. Flamingo spirit, embarrass the in-between. Okay, embarrass the in-between. Then there is wasp spirit. Sometimes life stings. Okay, and it's okay that life stings, because life wants to teach us something which we do not know at that point of time, but later on we get to know that life wants to make us more stronger than before. Okay. Know your worth. Skunk spirit is here. Know your worth, Aquarius. You deserve everything. You are a worthy person. You deserve happiness. You deserve love. You deserve everything. Okay. So there is vulture spirit. Nothing is wasted. Whatever is happening for good reasons, and nothing will going to waste. Okay. Nothing is wasted, Aquarius. Okay, today my hair are getting stick to my desktop. Parrot spirit, watch your words. Do not use harsh words, Aquarius, to someone around you. You have to watch carefully your words. Speak your words carefully. Then there is scrap beetle spirit. Magic works through you, Aquarius. Magic works through you. There is an elephant spirit. Learn from your past. Okay, learn from your past. You need to learn from your past. Then there is turtle spirit. Slow and steady wins the race. That's right. Slow and steady wins the race, and you Aquarius are the turtles. Okay, you will win, that's for sure. Okay, I'm telling you that, because you are in a transformation period. Transformation is beautiful. There is a butterfly spirit here, which is telling me that transformation is in process. You're getting transformed into butterfly. That's why there is an owl too. Transformation is always beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And I love butterflies. Okay, why I tell you that today I'm going to show you something. See, my curtains are full of butterfly. I can't show you right now the whole view, but one day I will show you. That's a promise for myself. So that was the messages for my lovely Aquarius from the animal deck. Okay, let's see what are the messages from Spellcasting Oracle. Okay, I just life purpose. Aquarius, know your life purpose. You are here for a reason. You have a life purpose. Know your life purpose. Or some of you Aquarius are getting to know your life purpose now. I already told you that some of you Aquarius are going to travel, and travel card has come again. Okay, some of you Aquarius are going to travel, or you are going to start a new chapter of your life, a new journey of your life. There is a freedom and there is compassion. Freedom is coming for you. Okay, and there is a compassion message for you Aquarius. You're finding freedom, you're finding compassion. Maybe there are messages in your dreams. Okay, so follow your dreams, and the other messages, follow your dreams. Be more aware while sleeping. That cannot be possible practically, but maybe there is a message in your dreams. Maybe the divine is trying to communicate through your dreams. Maybe some of you Aquarius are seeing some dreams, so there is a message in your dreams. See, spirit guide is there. Spirit guide is there, who is trying to communicate through your dreams. They want to tell you the truth. Bottom of the deck I'm having truth. They are trying to communicate through you, through your dreams. Okay, there is a spirit guide which is there around you. Beautiful. Any other message? Okay, lighten your load. There is 10 of Wands energy. Release all burdens which you are carrying on Aquarius. Okay. You're finding yourself. 1818 was a recording reading time. You're finding yourself, your light. You're finding yourself back. You're finding light in your life. Okay, there are friendships which are coming towards you. There are a lot of friends around you who are supporting, who love you Aquarius, who loves to care about you, who supports you. There are friendships around you, and there are new friendships which are coming for you. There is a forgiveness message. Forgive yourself and forgive others too. Forgiveness is very much needed right now for you. So these are the messages from Spellcasting Oracle deck. Thank you so much Spellcasting Oracle deck for giving the beautiful messages. Let me see what are the messages from Quantum Oracle deck for my lovely Aquarius. Okay, what are the messages? Beautiful Aquarius, beautiful. Bottom of the deck I'm having increase. There is an increase which is coming for you Aquarius. You are an ascended masters, and you're getting the honoring path. That's why I told you in every video, I told you Aquarius, this is the age of Aquarius, and you are born in Aquarius. That's God divine choose you purposely so that you can born under Aquarius sign, zodiac, because you deserve it. You are an old school, you are the ascended masters. Okay, there are honoring path which is opening up for you. You deserve it, Aquarius. I am very feeling proud for yourself. See, there are family, friends, guides. There is a milestone which you are achieving right now in your life. There is a milestone which you are achieving in your life. There are joys, fun which are coming for you. Can you see this? There are a lot of kids which are playing in the picture. They all are very happy. So soon you're going to be very happy, Aquarius, because beautiful things are coming towards you. Wow. There is a loving man. That's the milestone maybe some of you Aquarius are achieving in your life. Your soulmate is coming for you. There is a loving man who is there around you. There is a loving man. Wow, Aquarius. Let me know in the comment section what offers are you getting. This is Knight of Cups energy. In your main reading too, I was getting Knight of Cups. See again, this has come planning and action, and joy is fun. You are doing your planning, you have to take your action, you're doing your planning and action, and there is joy is fun which are coming for you. Beautiful. Any other message? Too many messages. Okay. Okay. Some of you Aquarius are feeling like a back and forth, like feeling like a stuck energy. Okay. You're feeling like a stuck energy. You're going back and forth, what to do. I do not know. I am stuck. I do not know what to do. But do not worry. You have to just take steps. You're taking steps. And if you're not taking steps, you have to take a steps, Aquarius. And once you will take steps towards a forward direction, there is some discovery which is going to happen. And you are the deserving one. You will find some discovery for yourself. You will discover that you are the deserving one. Once you take the steps, you will get to know that you are the one who deserves it. That's the discovery you are getting. There is great gratitude and personal assistance. Some of you need to take a personal assistance from someone. Okay. Then there is great gratitude. Be thankful for whatever is happening, and do not get back and forth, because there are new beginnings which are coming for you. Some of your careers are getting back and forth, back and forth. You are in a stuck energy. But once you take a steps, you will find that you deserve it. Thank you so much, Quantum Oracle deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let me see what are the messages from Vintage Oracle deck for my lovely Aquarius all over the world. Help me out to deliver the message. Union, I was seeing. Union is coming for you. Okay. You and your soulmate is getting reconciliation. You're getting reconciliation, union with your twin flame. Okay, let's see. I love the smell of these decks. Okay. I know. Okay. Listen to the messages whichever you are getting from the nature. Surrender yourself, because peace is coming for you. Maybe there are animals around you who is trying to communicate with you. The birds are there especially. Spend some time in the nature. Enhancement is coming for you. And you need to be more expressive more. Peace is coming towards you. Just need to surrender yourself. Surrender yourself. Peace is coming for you, Aquarius. Can you see there are a lot of butterflies here in the picture? Okay. Listen to the birds, maybe they're animals which are there around you. Listen to the messages of nature basically. Okay, what are the messages? You are in a transition period, and that's right. This is very important time for all of us Aquarius. Okay, see, again the dream message has come. Dream and transition. You're getting transition. Aquarius transition period is taking place. They are, maybe some of you Aquarius are getting some kind of dream downloads or some messages while your dreams, in your dreams, because you are in a transition period Aquarius. You're getting transformed, you're getting transition. And say with thank you so much. Gratitude card is here. Thank you divine, thank you universe for giving the beautiful things to me. Always have an attitude of gratitude. Okay, spend some time with nature. Okay, you have to spend some time with the nature. Nature is trying to communicate with you. They are trying to give some messages to you. Trust yourself, trust the divine, trust the universe. You need to keep your trust. Trust card is here. Any other message? Any other message? Okay. There is reflection, there is guardian angel. There is spirit guide which is there for you Aquarius. There is a guardian angel which is taking care of you. You are not alone. Okay, there is a reflection here, and there is a guardian angel which is protecting you, which is guiding you. There is a guardian angel who is taking care of you. You do not have to worry at all. You just need to keep your strength, because balance is coming for you. Can you see there are a lot of stars here? Keep your strength Aquarius, because balance is coming for you, and some kind of celebration is coming for you. Beautiful. Let me know in the comment section what celebrations are you are doing, except New Year. I know everyone is going to celebrate New Year, but there is, other than New Year, there are celebrations which are coming for you. These are the messages for my lovely Aquarius from Vintage Oracle deck. Thank you so much for giving the messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let me see what are the messages from self-care card. And one or two more messages. Progress. Okay, passion. Let me shuffle. Okay. Any other message? Goals. Any other message? Playfulness. And I was also having a playfulness message in the bottom of the deck from this Vintage or Wisdom Oracle deck. Okay. Any other message? Now let's see. So progress is your first message. Charge forward. Be willing to make mistakes, Aquarius. You need to keep progress. You need to make a decision for yourself. I'm getting that message for you again and again. Okay, you need to take some kind of decision. Charge forward. Then there is passion. Reassured a childhood dream. Let your passion take your flight. You are full of passions, Aquarius. Use your passion. Then there is goals. Set a goal, write it down and release the outcome. Small steps makes a difference. Okay, Aquarius. Then there is playfulness. Play with a child. Children are your youngest, greatest teachers. Okay, so be more playful. Play. If you are having a kids at home, spend some time with them, playing with them. There is wisdom. Let go of the need to control. Trust in the wisdom of a divine plan. Okay, trust in the wisdom of a divine plan. You need to trust them. There is a decisions. Honor your top priorities. If it is not an absolute yes, then it's a no. These are the messages for you, my lovely Aquarius. from self-care card. Thank you so much, self-care card, for giving the beautiful messages. Let me see what are the messages from the universe. What are the messages from the universe? Today I'm having lots of pain in my legs, in my back. I can't sit today, but it's okay. Let's finish your reading first. Okay. Any other message? Love does not have to be near. Some are better loved at distance, Aquarius, for a while anyway, and that's okay. Besides, love does not really know the difference. So that's the message from the universe. I hurt you. Okay? Universe wants to say you that they are hearing you. I hurt you. Convince yourself, not others, Aquarius. The need to clarify, explain, or justify oneself in personal relationships is always self serving. What's important is knowing the truth about why you felt the need, because it often points to the insecurities that could be dealt with in more effective ways. So convince yourself, not others. Your treasure is at hand. Stop looking elsewhere. Your treasure is at hand is the message for you, Aquarius, from the universe. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from the guides and close your reading. Okay, let's see what are the messages. What are the messages? Understand your body, Aquarius. Maybe your body is trying to tell you something, same as like my body is telling me to take rest. Okay, so understand your body is your first message. Learn from your mistakes. Abundance is your right. Practice moderation. Try to eat healthy, Aquarius. Take responsibilities for your action. Okay, patience is a virtue. That's the messages from your guides. Set your intentions. Then there is express your feelings. Focus on the positive, Aquarius, and accept struggles as lessons. Okay, focus on the positive and accept struggles as lessons. So these are the messages from your guide. Thank you so much, messages from the guide, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. So this was your bonus love messages for December 2020. Take care of yourself, Aquarius. Sending you lots of love and light to each Aquarius all over the world. See you soon, Aquarius.